Good evening, everyone. My name is Panchali Chaudhury, and I am from Team 4. I'm going to present the game planner. As we can see from our game planner, our audience for the presentation will be the founders of Camilo. It will be a 10-minute presentation followed by 5 minutes question and answers. The objective of this presentation is to suggest some recommendations to the current business model in order to create additional value in the present strategy and to mitigate plastic pollution with the help of an end-to-end tracking system. We can achieve this by generating strategic alliances, example NGOs, IGOs, and consultancy firms that will boost the credibility of Camilo's certificate. In order to achieve these alliances, market research and analysis will be presented. So the problem that we are actually trying to solve is to find a way of creating awareness about Camilo's brand and the certification model so that more and more clients are willing to pay for this whole process. We are going to work with Camilo's product, which are the certification, the QR code and the application, as well as the services which are already being offered, which is trustworthy traceability of the plastic. Basically, we are going to use their business model, but put special attention on building strong partnership as well as good marketing plan. Some unfair advantages were identified, for example, lack of structured team. So we are proposing some additional roles that could be considered to make the company achieve this goal. The logic flow will be explained by María.
Okay. For us, all market players that are part of the life of the recycled plastic once Camilo enters to participate in it are crucial for our value proposition. Though, in this case, we go backward in the order of the analysis. We started to develop this proposal by understanding the perspective of the final consumer of recycled product goods and those who produce them. We move to the next layer by using the previous information to create strategic alliances to allow Camilo brand to create brand differentiation and positioning compared to the other competitors in the same kind of services inside this market. To finally have the capacity to deliver an adequate service and achieve market consolidation with each of the Camilo's clients with some additional recommendations to strengthen the business model, such as the marketing campaigns, the new creation of new groups, as Panchali already said. Belen is going to develop this general diagram with a general explanation of the storyboard of our presentation.
So, how are we going to organize our presentation? To begin with, we are going to explain the business canvas model and which areas Camilo could improve on. We believe that for the business to be successful, Camilo must focus on consolidating its brand on the market. With that in mind, our hypothesis is, how can we create more value to Camilo's certification? We're going to start by presenting a final consumer analysis that was performed by doing text analysis to a survey we created, as well as text analysis about market research on consumers' behavior regarding plastic recycled products. This information will be important to create strategic alliances with IGO, NGOs, and consultant companies that would support Camilo's certification and generate credibility for their brands. Once explained the possible alliances, we will follow by stating Camilo's clients, the recycling companies. We will explain which are the main recycling companies that Camilo should target. Furthermore, we're going to present some other marketing strategies to promote Camilo's brand, and we're going to finalize with giving our recommendations. Thank you very much.